Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been managing your books in QuickBooks Online but need to switch accountants, you might be wondering how to make that transition smooth and stress-free. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the process of switching accountants in QuickBooks Online, so you know exactly what to expect whether you're an accounting firm or the client making the change. Let's dive in. When it comes to switching accountants in QuickBooks Online, there are two sides to the process: what the accounting firm needs to do and what the client should do to make sure everything transfers correctly. First, let's talk about what the accounting firm needs to do. The change has to be made by a primary administrator within the accounting firm. Only administrators have the authority to reassign or change who the lead accountant is. Here's how it works. Step by step, sign into QuickBooks Online Accountant as the primary firm administrator. From the left-hand menu, go to your clients list. Find the client whose lead accountant you want to change. On that client's page, select the Edit Client dropdown. From the dropdown options, choose Edit Leads. In the Lead column, select the new accountant you want to assign. Finally, click Save to confirm the change. Once you do this, QuickBooks will automatically remove the current accountant's access to that client's account and give access to the new accountant. This way, the transition is handled securely and the client's financial data stays protected. Now, from the client's perspective, there are a couple of things to keep in mind for a smooth transition. First, make sure to notify your current accountant about the change. This helps avoid confusion and keeps the process professional. Second, work with both your old and new accountant to transfer any necessary financial records or details. While QuickBooks handles the access switch, it's always good to ensure both parties are aligned on the transfer of information. A few important considerations to remember: only firm administrators can make this switch. If you're not an admin, you'll need to ask one to handle it. The process is specifically designed to make transitions between accountants simple, while still protecting sensitive client data. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely switch accountants in QuickBooks Online without losing valuable time or data. I hope this tutorial helped clear up the process for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.